Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since May 23, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.37. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is situated at the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the top trend line at $210.20 will initially indicate a slower falling rate and may represent the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 4.21% over the next 3 months, with a possible return between negative 21.94% and positive 0.174%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 11.82%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 5.49% to positive 39.16% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $189.95 and $279.71. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock downgraded from hold accumulate to sell candidate after Friday trading session. The Amazon stock price fell by 1.04% on the last day, which was Friday, the 23rd of May, 2025, dropping from $203.10 to $200.99. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.28%, with a day low at $197.85 and a day high of $202.37. This price has shown both increases and decreases over this period, and there has been a 4.11% gain over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day along with the stock price, which is generally a positive sign as volume should align with stock movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 33 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $6.62 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the stock price sits at 17.12%, or $41.53. Below the 52-week high and 84.60%, or $1,104.21, below the all-time high reached on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. Amazon has been in the headlines today, facing challenges that could impact its stock performance in both the short and long term. The company's Zoox Robotaxi unit has issued a voluntary software recall for 270 vehicles following a collision in San Francisco, raising safety concerns surrounding its autonomous technology. Negative press like this may lead to investor hesitation, potentially affecting stock sentiment in the short term. Additionally, Amazon is grappling with a lawsuit alleging the sale of contaminated rice, claiming the product was tainted with arsenic and other heavy metals. Legal troubles can pose significant financial risks and may keep investors on edge, leading to volatility around the stock. On a more positive note, an investor has expressed confidence in holding on to their Amazon shares, citing a substantial 560% gain since 2016. This sentiment reflects a long-term bullish outlook, suggesting that despite current setbacks, many believe in the company's fundamental strength. Meanwhile, the company has suspended plans for a major data center in Minnesota amid discussions of reducing tax breaks for big tech. This decision could influence Amazon's expansion strategy and cost management, contributing to longer-term implications for its growth trajectory. Overall, while short-term challenges may pressure Amazon's stock, its historical performance and strong market presence could support resilience and recovery in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned AMZN a buy grade along with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that JMP Securities also gave AMZN a market outperform grade with a hold action. Additionally, on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, Tigris Financial rated AMZN with a buy grade and a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald rated AMZN with a hold grade and a hold action. On that same day, Goldman Sachs assigned AMZN a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock currently shows a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $203.74. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $189.16. A breakthrough above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 4.91%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lessens the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger also presented a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 23 days ago. The long-term moving average, however, indicated a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 53 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $191.10. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.52 between its high and low, which is approximately 2.28%. During the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.17%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in companies with long track records or stable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.34. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Amazon is at $203.80. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Harrington Douglas J., who bought and sold 21,608 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 74.713. In total, insiders acquired 208,350 shares and divested 1,345,196 shares during the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon presents several negative indicators, suggesting that its performance may remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a pessimistic view on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses observed in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and market movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 27th of May, we anticipate that Amazon will open lower by approximately 58 cents, starting at $200.40. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.